As we sit here, the main entrance to the building, nice office, possibly retail little shop. As we sit on the corner of Snyder and Main, just 1 block away, 1,000 feet roughly away, Davis Boulevard and Main Street, and the famous Back 40 Smokehouse right across the street. It's been a staple here for a while, has outdoor music, live music as well. And then down here, down Snyder, about 100 yards is the railroad, as well as, can't see it through the trees, over those trees is the new Tex Rail station. We look at the corner, again, main entrance, and then we get into the east side of the building onto a side yard for storage, all the way up to the chain link fence, and then you have Davis Boulevard for great exposure, if any signage needed for the building. Roughly 60,000 cars a day on Davis Boulevard here. That leads you to 820, and then down going north up to Keller and Soft Lake to 1709 Main Thoroughfare. Butting up against Davis is in a secondary yard that could be an extension to the main yard for storage, and that would be on the east side. West side of the building. Nice load-in ramp of 15 yards for a full tractor trailer, and then yard access, west side, and railroad behind there, and just about 500 yards that way will be the new Tex Rail stop station. This is your front side or main entrance side to the building. We have 2 exterior large doors, again 10 feet tall by about 9.8 feet wide. One does have ramp access, smooth transition right there for you. And another office door potentially as we get into the yard on the east side. Full storage here. Empty shell for you. Through another shell with full door access. Another door, 2 doors in the back. South side yard, full yard storage access. Davis Boulevard right there. Davis and Main traffic light, and the rear or south side of the building, full ramp access on 2 doors, 10 feet tall by 9.8 feet wide.